Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you recently deleted files or folders on your computer? By default, these files are temporarily saved in the recycle bin so that you can easily restore them. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted files from the recycle or trash bin of your Windows PC. Let's go. When you delete files on your Windows PC, they are temporarily stored in the recycle bin, where you can restore them if necessary. All deleted files have a retention period of 93 days before they are permanently deleted from the folder. By default, you can easily find the recycle bin on your desktop. If it's not accessible, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Personalize. Navigate to the Themes configuration page and open the desktop icon settings. Check the recycle bin box, click Apply, and confirm your changes with OK. If you still can't see the folder, right-click on your desktop again. Click View, and make sure Show All Icons is enabled. Once you see the recycle bin, double-click to open the folder. To find recently deleted files, use the Sort feature above to sort by the date they were deleted in descending order. You can also use the search box in the upper right corner to refine your results. When you have found the data, right-click on it and click the Restore button to save it back to its original location. On the other hand, if you have cloud services or NAS devices that sync with your computer, each storage typically has its own recycle bin that you can access to recover deleted files. For example, if you deleted an online-only file in your OneDrive, simply access your account on the web and open the recycle bin folder. Find your deleted file, right-click and choose Restore. The recovered file is automatically saved to its original location. As additional information with your OneDrive storage, deleted files remain in the Microsoft account recycle bin for 30 days. But what if you see that the recycle bin is already empty? Even though your files may have been permanently deleted, there is still a good chance of recovery. To learn more about it, click on the tag in the upper right corner. I will also include the link in the description below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.